right now you can see something like a fridge. Let me close the door for you to see. You see, that's how it's going to be. Big like fridge. Okay, 3 doors. Somebody will say, what is the use of this thing? It's not a fridge where we keep cold fish, or we keep fish, or we keep frozen food. No. We call this machine dehydration machine. Dehydration machine, look at how it is. This one is 9 feet by 9 by 8. Okay? 3 doors. Alright? Very good. You can see it very big here. And this is a factory. Purposely for drying things. When you want to dry something like cassava, pepper, ginger, turmeric, and all those fruits, you slice it into smaller, flat sizes. And then this big room, you see, this big room, there is a trolley in it that contains almost 100 trays. 2 different trolleys. First one inside and the second one also follow. Then you close it. You see nice blowers inside. Yes, along the line, I'll on it for you to see. That you see that there is a heater and there is a gas burner also inside there. That when you on it, the heater will begin to generate heat, and then the blower also inside will circulate the heat within the cabin. Sorry, or the chamber, so that wherever the things are kept and is being dried, all will get equal air circulation or heat circulation. If you look at the top here too, you see the ventilation hole. There's another one also there. One is bringing in fresh oxygen, and one also is taking out the inner heat, so that the oxygen will mix with the air, and then it will have a better dry. Within 12 hours, around 6 to 6 in the morning, you can get all dried, perfect dry, like a sun dry, natural dry. This is not like a oven dry. This is a dry, almost like a sun dry, perfect dry, 12 hours. So this is a 1 ton. When you dry, you use all over 300 trays to dry it. Then you are going to grind and get something like 1 ton. Let's go back here to see how it is. Yeah, now see the back. Okay, there is the back. All right, these are the top control motors, induction motors. Okay, first motor, okay, and the second motor, the third motor. All right, each motor is 1 cabin. Each motor is 1 cabin, driving 2 blowers, so they are all 6 blowers. All right, I'm going to power it and see how it works. So you watch, keep on watching. I'm now going to power it so that you see how it's working. All right, so now let me power it. Okay, you see all the fans working. All right, now you can see. Have you seen that the blowers are all working? Yeah, the blowers are working. Look at it. Yeah, the first cabin, the blower is working. Yes. And if you are here, you see the way the air is blowing, coming out here. So when you close the door, all the air will be inside the cabin and circulate the heat, so that the commodities you are drying will have a perfect dry. This is what we call dehydration machine. All right. Okay, now we have come to the back here again. We'll see the way the motor is working. Alright, see the second motor. Alright, you see the third motor. Okay, very good. And we will be covering them. We'll be covering them with the covers. Okay, and these are the covers. Alright, 3 covers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We are coming to cover the machine back, so that when you are here and you touch the back, no bounce or no nothing will hurt you. Okay, so when we finish that side, we'll update you so that you see the completion of this one. All right. Okay. All right. You see, look at down here. This is the control board. This is the control room. All right. This is the control room. Okay. Look at how it is. This is the control room. Okay, or the control box. Okay. All right. Okay. You see all the controls. Okay. You see all the controls at the back here. All right. You see all the controls at the back here. This one is a light indicator, volt indicator. Okay. This one is a e-switch. Okay. This one also is a volt indicator. And this one is a number 1 control, number 2 control, number 3 control. And this one you see here are all heater controllers and heater regulators. This one, the degrees Celsius will come over it and you see. Okay, so this is the dehydration machine. The weight of the machine is about almost 1.5 tons. And when you cut things and you put it inside and you dry it, when you ground it, you are going to get about 1 ton or 1 ton. Alright, so let's off it. Now look at it, I'm giving it off. Now it's off. Okay. So now let's come to the control box. You see, it has a control box, that all the items are connected to. Okay, now look at it. Well, here you can see it here well. Okay, let me come again. This one is a e-switch that switch off and switch on the entire machine. Okay, and these are the volt controllers and volt indicators to show either the current is on point or the current is not on point, so that you not burn the motor. Okay, and this one is the number 1 motor controller, number 2 motor controller, and the number 3 motor controller. Okay, and these are the indicators of the heater. It gives you the temperature, either the heaters are too hot or the heaters are not too hot. Okay, so that this one gives you perfect indicators as the temperature 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 50 or 60 degrees Celsius, so that you will not burn the items inside the dehydration machine. Okay, look at inside. Look at inside. Okay, look at inside. Okay, good. Look at inside. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. You see all this, all inside here, things over here are all controllers, things that are, it's part of the circuit. Okay, the circuit. Yeah, so the front here and the inside here all are part of the circuit. We'll keep updating you. We are about to connect it to the machine, so this is just a test. So in the next update, you see it on top of something, and all the items in the dehydration machines are connected to this very one, and all will have a better function. We will keep updating you, and you see how the machine is, how actually is. So help us to grow this channel. Whatever you can do to help us to grow this channel. Okay, yeah, this is a African technology. This is Africa, or African technology. We can do it. We can do it. So we are now creating, sensitizing our people that we can do it. So the whole thing that you see is a 1, 2, 3 rooms dehydration machine weighing about 1.5 tons, and it takes almost over 300 trays on trolleys inside, so that you can dry your slice and your particular fruit things inside 12 hours, 6 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning to dry, and then you grind it, so that you will not depend on the sunlight because sometimes there will be, cloudy atmosphere and you cannot dry your product. So if you are a company and you are looking for dehydration machine to support you to dry your things and grind it every in the morning, this is the best place to contact, and we are the best people to call. Thank you so much for doing us a favor. Thank you.